Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the dual surface burner control switch on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the element won't turn on, or it'll turn on but it stays on high heat and you can't adjust the temperature. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. Just make sure you turn your gas off. So what we've got to do is turn our range around. So now we have to take this back panel off. In order to do that, we've got 6 screws that are holding it in, 1 on each corner, and then in the middle on the top and bottom. And now that we've got all of those unscrewed, we're just going to pull the panel up so that the tab comes out of there, and we can set it off to the side. So over here is our dual surface burner control switch. In order to get it out, first thing we're going to do is take out all these wires here. And for yourselves at home, just make sure you take a picture of the order that the wires are in so that when you put it back together, you get the wires back in the proper order. Now that we've got all the wires out, we've got to go to the front. So now we're going to take the knob off of the switch here. And once we do that, we've got 2 screws, which we're going to have to remove as well. And just keep in mind as you remove the second screw, you're going to want to hold the switch in place so it doesn't fall out. And with the screw out, you can just pop it right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement dual surface burner control switch. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So when we put our switch back in, what we're going to do is we're going to orient it so that the flat part is on top. This bottom part isn't quite as flat. There's a little piece right there that helps to keep the knob in place when that goes on. So when we turn it around, this is going to go on top so that everything is facing the proper direction. Now we're going to just make sure the holes are lined up for the screws, and we'll screw it back into place. And now that the screws are back in place, we'll put the knob back on. And now we can plug all the wires back in. So now I'm going to put our back panel back on, and what I'm going to do is with the middle segmented panel right here, that's going to go behind everything, and then that rests on top there, and then I'll line up our screw holes. And once the screw holes are all lined up, you can start screwing it back in. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug everything back in, and our repair is complete. Now we can turn our gas back on. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.